Hello everyone, I'm showing you how to fast K-Noodle, K-짜장라면, how to make it. Let's go! First of all, just put it on the noodle. 1, 2 noodle. And next, just make water properly. 1 cup. Two cup. Actually, not fully 2 cup. And fire up. And waiting. Then next, just put everything. It doesn't need anything. Just put it on. And just shake it. This is very watery. Well, you guys really know why this is just right now, doing right now. Olive oil in. Actually, description say 330 milliliter, 1 per, but we just use only 2 noodle per 500 milliliter, just 2 cup. This one is, you don't need to soak it out water, just still boiling until everything is noodle making up. It's famous noodle, instant noodle, but delicious and awesome taste. Right now, everybody has known tea noodle. Look at this, looks like delicious. I'm showing you how much leftover soup. This much. And how much texture? Not done yet. It smells so incredible. You don't need to soak it out water because this one is evaporating with the boiling, and making the texture is really better. Tastes like just middle and delicious. Not salt, not watery. Right now, next boiling. Wow, smells like incredible. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. How many leftover sauce water? Almost, you're almost done. Texture is really good. See? Just leave until water is evaporating. Look at that sauce. Wow. It looks like real sauce from Chinese restaurant. I mean Korean Chinese restaurant. 짜장면. gonna be telling you why this is good solution. Because you don't need to take out water and just reduce the water, put it on the 2 cup and still start boiling everything. One time this cooking will be done everything. And then sauce is absorbed to noodle, and noodle tastes really crazy. It's really delicious. And last thing, this noodle, if you don't have any much water and trying to make it finish with the soup, right? That soup is dry because this one is not much having water left over, and then sauce will be absorbed to every noodle. So noodle will be absorbed to sauce. You don't need leftover. You cannot see that much leftover sauce after. Right now, we got just this much sauce. See this? The noodle, 99% right now, almost done. Look at this. Wow, oh my goodness, it cannot wait. I wanna eat. Look here. Oh my goodness, look at this. The smell is really incredible. See here? Wow. Yeah, right now I guess it's done. Look this. And stop fire. And I can move. Here. Wow, look at this. All done. Good sauce, everything, good smell. K-ramen, K-짜장 noodle is done. Let's cook it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Woo! It's good, it's good. It's well done. I don't have kimchi today. I need kimchi, but I don't have today. See, just one time, boiling, looking good. It's like real noodle, real Chinese Korean restaurant noodle. Look this. Good sauce. It's good, perfect. Enjoy for you. And please try, and I don't know make another video, and please subscribe my channel. We are happy for everything. Thank you.